Okay. In January, late January, I did an experiment in this area. Okay, and I took videos of it happening, levitation and metal like, turning strange and all that. I uploaded to YouTube. I decided to delete all the videos because it could cause a lot of issues, maybe. The metal samples sold off to Paul Harris. But why I'm talking about this is kind of coincidental, but this area here is where a lot of earthquake activity happened. It's interesting to note. I like making notes about earthquakes. This is okay. Oh, this is okay. Except that, this unit kind of moved over, flew off and moved over here somewhere. I got one on the floor that I'm repairing because it moved around too. But notice how this is. That was pushed back, so I got to push these boards forward. Okay, back to here. Okay, that went back, this went forward. I got to push that back about how many inches? Maybe about 3 or 4. And everything flew off here and broke down here, and it got in the garbage can. Glass item. And I got this stuff down on the floor to soak up oil because this unit here contains oil. And that was fell down from up there. That stayed. And we got something that twisted, which I had to straighten out. This moved. At least about 4 or 5 inches. These are quite stable racks. I checked for cracks or anything and they're okay. This guy slid also about 4 inches this way. See how he's on an angle? So I'll put a crowbar under there and move it back. But everything else is okay. Double checking because you never know. Nothing moved here. That's the klystron. I was busy yesterday and moved stuff around. Of course, in the tool room, I found this. Not sure what it's off of. This guy kind of levitated. That's why I got down here to repair some broken knobs. Anything else cracked? Nothing, no. All those are pushed out about 4 inches. But they're pushed back. Did a lot of repairs so far. These were on the floor. Desk moved about inch and a half. That's why I got this board. I used my trusty screw jack. So today, gonna finish up organizing some of this stuff. I piled that up over there because I had to move Excel. And the big drill press. These were all moved around. This one fell over. No damage. That one fell over. No damage. No damage here. Nothing. Very selective, huh? Nothing moved in here. Nothing at all. Why that is, I don't know, or here either. This guy is still fell over and blew his top off. This is from Greece, Mr. Alec in Greece. This is too heavy for me to lift up, so I'll use a floor crane. This thing was kind of in disarray as it measured the earthquake. Everything else is okay, so just wanted to bring that out just for interest. Okay, well, off to fix some stuff. It's pretty neat so far. Putting the other stuff back today, and maybe I'll work in the armory. Wow, what a rattle it up earthquake-wise. Other people suffered a lot worse than I did, so. Anyway, I'll shut up for now.